Hey, it's the Allie and Alyssa show.
I have a rapper bear. Yo, yo, yo.
Yo, 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 my bear from there.
My boot is so squeaky that I can go.
Ew.
Oh, that didn't even hurt.
Anyways, what up? What up?
Ow.
What up?
My name is Wilson.
No, really. My name's Billy. No, Bob. I'm
Really?
Bob.
That's interesting. I'm trying to put this thing on my hand, but I can't.
You can't see me.
I made this puppet. She made this one. Mine is.
Oh, when did you get up and get mine?
Julia got it for me.
Oh. You want to see the gorgeous one? Right? Ew. No. Right under this ugly thing. Okay, give me mine. See? Mine's so gorgeous that you can't take your hands off of it.
She's sticking to me. Ah, that's how awesome I am.
No, because you have Velcro and you're naked. Mine's not. That's just disturbing. Let's make something arts and craftsy-ish.
Oh, let's go make more puppets.
Yeah.
Yay.
Yeah. Alright.
And my arts and crafts
I don't want to make a bear. I'll make something else.
I want to make some battery wheels. You can make this train. Oh, wait, no, there's nothing in there. You can make a holy decor snaps. Whatever. You know what that's called.
I want a color.
You can make a race car.
Hey, this is your cutter.
Let's cut PayPal.
No, mommy. Yeah, mommy.
Oh, here's another thingy.
Next show, we're going to have our thing done, so tune in to the Ellie and Alyssa show.
There's another puppet thingy.
Bye-bye.